So it was a great night at the sorority house. Some of the girls actually said this was the best meal of the year, and I'm super stoked to hear stuff like that. So we're doing pesto chicken cutlets tonight, guys, and let me show you what we do. We're going to start by flattening out this chicken. Once I got them flat, I'm going to cut them into portions. Then I'm going to cover them up with some plastic. We're going to go ahead and pound these things out thin. We're breading them tonight, so I want them to cook nice and evenly. Quick little flatten. I use my meat mallet, super thin. Those look perfect. Grab a couple eggs, twirl them up, get a little bit of buttermilk. This is the perfect wet mix. This will coat our chicken really well. That's all I'm going to do right there. Throw in some breadcrumbs. We're going to season them both up, a little salt and pepper, real simple. Guys, we go in with that chicken, get it coated in that buttermilk egg mixture, go straight over to our breadcrumbs, coat that. That looks perfect. I'm going to put a little bit of butter down on my griddle, or a lot. And I'm going to throw these chickens down. We're going to get them nice and browned off. They'll go fast because they're pretty thin. Throw them in the oven to hold. Guys, let's make some tomatoes really quick. A little olive oil. I thought it was some balsamic. We're going to add a little salt and pepper. Super simple. Light seasoning. Sweet and fresh. Exactly what we want. Let me show you how we plate. So I got these giant crispy croutons, all right? They're like Texas toast garlic breads. We put our cutlet down on those. I put my pesto down on the cutlet. If you want to see my pesto video, check out the pesto pasta salad. That'll show you how I do mine. I'm going to add some arugula on top of that pesto. We put those marinated tomatoes. Guys, we finish with a little balsamic glaze. That is it. Super simple. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.